South Africa is not planning to quit the International Criminal Court as earlier suggested by President Cyril Ramaphosa. Just hours ago, Ramaphosa had said his African National Congress had decided to withdraw South Africa from the International Court. The President's office cited a communication error from the ruling A.N.C. party. The International Criminal Court is a court of last resort for the world's worst crimes when countries cannot or will not prosecute suspects. In March, the International Criminal Court announced an arrest warrant for Vladimir Putin. The warrant against Russian president is based on the war crimes accusation of unlawfully deporting Ukrainian children. Russia denies allegations of war crimes by its troops. The I.C.C. arrest warrant meant that Pretoria, due to host the Brics Summit this year, would have to detain Putin on arrival. South Africa's ruling party, the A.N.C, had earlier told journalists the issue of withdrawing from the I.C.C. had been raised at a meet of its National Executive Council. Then, during a media conference with visiting President of Finland, Ramaphosa had said, and I'm quoting here, the A.N.C has taken the decision that it is prudent that South Africa should pull out of the International Court. In another statement, the A.N.C said no categorical decision for an immediate withdrawal had been taken. It said that the party's supreme decision-making body had discussed the unequal and often selective application of international law by the I.C.C. On whether South Africa would arrest Putin, Ramaphosa said that the matter is under consideration. His party's Secretary General earlier declared that Putin can come anytime. Pretoria has close ties with Moscow, dating back to decades when the Kremlin supported the A.N.C's fight against apartheid. The continental powerhouse has refused to condemn the invasion of Ukraine. South Africa says that it wants to stay neutral and prefers dialogue to end the war. Ramaphosa, who last year blamed NATO for the war in Ukraine, said that he respected Finland's recent decision to join the military alliance. The arrest warrant for Putin, a sitting head of state of a permanent member of UN Security Council, is unprecedented step for the court. Russia is not a party to the International Criminal Court, so it was unclear if or how Putin could ever end up in the dock. Experts have said that it is unlikely that Russia would ever hand over any suspects. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.